Good morning, fourth graders. Once you finish your diagnostic test, I'm going to teach you how to access the skills that I want you to practice. So let's say that you have signed out. I'm going to re-show you how to sign in. So again, it's your first name, last name, 388, and then your password is going to be the same password as your Gmail, your ms8072.org account. So I'm going to type that in here, and then I'm going to click sign in. Okay, so there's a recommendations page here for you once you finish your diagnostic test that you should have already completed. Okay, so we go back to the learning page, and like I said, there's a page here of recommendations. Okay, now you should see this star appear on your home page, and it says three skills suggested by your teacher. You are going to click on that, and it's going to show you the 3 skills that we are currently working on. Okay, if you have free time and you want to practice math, you are more than welcome to focus on these recommendations for you. Okay, but these 3 skills are going to be what I am assessing you on, okay? So you need to make sure that you're completing them. So you're going to click it, and then you're going to practice, okay? So write 5/6 as a sum of a fraction 2 different ways. So we're going to break it down. So you want to make sure answer using the same fraction in different order are not different answers, and we've talked about that, okay? So 5/6, I could do 3/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, right? Or I could do, and mind you, these say addition. We've practiced with subtraction as well, but this for this specific question, it doesn't let you do it. So I could also do this once 3, 2/6 plus 2/6 plus 1/6, right? And then I'm going to submit it, see if it's right. Great job. So you're going to practice these skills. I want you to complete 2 skills a day. That's what I'm going to assign right now. 2 skills a day. We'll check in and see how that's doing. And then I also want you to work on post to Seesaw. Okay. For me to see that you've completed 2 skills, actually, we're gonna just not do that, okay? So then once you're done doing this, you'll move on to the next skill. Another way that you can get to the skills, I'm gonna show you. Another way that you can get to the skills is from this home page. So the learning page is your home page. You click here, it says math. Okay, 4th grade math. And if you were to scroll through this, you'd look for the stars, and it starred for you. So we're currently working on adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. Okay, and then so that's why it's all the way down here. That's why that skill is all the way down here. So you look for the starred skills. That's another way to get to it. Okay, I'm hoping through Google Classroom you can email me with questions. I'll be checking in with you, and we're going to try to do this, all right? It's going to look a lot different than it did last week, but that's because they think we're going to be closed for longer, okay? So, again, if you have any questions, please reach out. I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you all are well, and I miss you guys. Take care.